Welcome to ILIMA Higashi Nakano, where modern convenience meets Tokyo's vibrant charm. Scan the QR code in the description to secure your stay. Nestled in the heart of Nakano, just a 5-minute train ride from Shinjuku and a mere 2-minute stroll from Higashi Nakano Station, this elegant retreat offers the perfect balance of accessibility and tranquility. Designed to accommodate up to 4 guests, each space is thoughtfully appointed with contemporary comforts, from air conditioning to plush bedding, ensuring every moment feels effortlessly refined. Step inside to discover a sanctuary of understated luxury. The fully equipped dining kitchen invites you to craft culinary delights, complemented by modern appliances including a microwave and washing machine for seamless living. Unwind in the sleek private bathroom, complete with premium amenities, or relax before the flat-screen TV as the city's energy hums softly beyond your windows. Free Wi-Fi throughout ensures you stay connected, whether for work or leisure. Surrounded by cultural gems like Sakurayama Park and the serene Kanda Josui Park, ILIMA Higashi Nakano places you at the crossroads of exploration and repose. Discover historic temples such as Kyomyoji and Ganshoji, or lose yourself in the quiet beauty of nearby shrines, each a short walk from your doorstep. With Haneda Airport just 24 kilometers away, your journey begins and ends with ease. Elevate your Tokyo experience with the understated elegance of ILIMA Higashi Nakano. Don't forget to scan the QR code in the description to book your stay, where every detail is designed to inspire.